Okay, it's a video. Hi. Shirt, t-shirt.
Yeah.
We're at Gum Studios.
Gum Studios.
My name is Boris. Boris, graphic designer, printmaker, student artist. This is Gum Studios. Gum Studios is a certified woman-owned business. Carrie's been doing this for about 10, 12 years now. No. This is my studio. So this is what I mean about pasting, right? To get the image onto the screen, the printout needs to be very opaque. There cannot be any shadows or light streaks or speckles. If you're looking at this stuff, everything is solid, right? And this is just the beginner way to do it. So now, when you print, but give it to me real quick. I can do it with one hand. You need to have fingers pressed evenly so that the pressure is distributed evenly. Say you only got it like right here, right? This side is gonna print weak. Now, straight 45-degree angle, press down,
Bomb.
clean swipe. 45,
Bomb.
clean swipe. 45, clean swipe. 45, clean swipe. So when you pick it up,
Slow.
you put your finger right here.
Right here?
Yep, pick your finger right here. Now you lift it up very slowly. Watch, you're gonna see how it's gonna peel off. You see how it's peeling off? You want it to do
Ooh.
that. So they have a thing called a flash dryer. It's like a thing that you put over top of it. It's like a mini oven. You know, like a toaster oven? Yeah. You know, it has like those lines and they heat up. So they have one that's upside down. You just like wave it over top of this. Boom, it dries it really quick.
Wait, can you see it or is it?
I can. Nice.
See you soon at Gum Studios.
Gum Studios.
Holla at ya, boy.
Yeah,
I am not sure.